Hi guys, today I want to take a look at another great features in Business Center, and that's naming of the lines. So I have prepared kind of like few lines there, and as you can see, some of them are really close together. And as you click on let's say this one, and you right click on properties, as you can see, one of the properties is name. So this is lip of gutter. The benefit in Business Center, if you name those lines, is when you click on the two lines, you see you get the in the brackets there, square brackets, you get the layer which the lines are, and then it lists all the lines. So now I want to change the top of curve, or I want to change the gutter, right? So I can click whichever I want to select, and then I can click on it. As I zoom outside, I get more lines in there. Create a design, and yeah, so design map, we're gonna add these 4 lines. Hit OK, hit close, and then we're gonna go to our SCS 900 and reload that design. Name of lines, okay, accept. So we should see the same line work over here. Now when you want to stake and you click and hold, it's gonna ask you to stake a line or reference line. We're gonna go with a line, and it should have asked us which line we want to pick. So let's try this again. Oh, you see, so it's saying gutter here. So if you don't want a gutter, top of curb, stake line, I want to stake top of curve, and go with the properties. So this is where it would be beneficial, because you know which line you are staking without the necessity of actually zooming in and then, oh okay, what is this line? Yeah, gutter, I want to stake gutter. Okay guys, so this was naming the lines. Really great feature which I have enjoyed since the Terra model. Don't forget to subscribe or hit us up on social media, and we'll see you next time.